So we are approaching 500,000 miles on this 2000 Honda Civic. I bought this car, I believe, in November of 1999, and it's about to happen right now. 500,000 miles right there. People just don't believe it can be done, but there it is. That's it. We're going to pull over. I got some people behind me, so I got to warn them I'm pulling over. There we go. Pull it over here. So there it is.
Holy mocha.
It can happen. So again, I bought this car in November of 1999. This is August the 31st, 2019. And this car will be 20 years old. Well, the car's already 20 years old because, you know, they make these before they sell them.
And then the air conditioning still in good condition.
Air condition still works. Same original motor. Same transmission. Original transmission. All the body parts are the same. I put some aftermarket headlights and tail lights in the car, but everything's the same. And we accomplished this by changing the oil when you're supposed to change the oil. So
and maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance.
Every 100,000 miles.
Yeah, now it's time to put a new timing belt in here. So because we do that every 100,000 miles. So all regular maintenance has been done. So there it is. It can be done. And this car, most of this has been from driving the car to work and back. So we are working people. We work, and that's how we pay for it. This car has been out across the plains storm chasing, I believe, 3 times. So we've been out there. That probably totaled maybe 20,000 miles of all of this. And of course, I did some storm chasing around Middle Tennessee when I was storm chasing for Channel 5 here in Nashville. So there it is. It's done. So here is the car. We just turned over 500,000 miles. And this is what it looks like now. We'll take a walk around. Still looking in good shape. There's been no repairs done on it, no major repairs. There's been some touch-ups from little things here and there, but no major repairs. Still looks good. It just needs to be washed.